Alright, what's good, y'all? Finna go to a little breast cancer awareness meet. I'm gonna take the little G and give y'all a POV drive. Got the G right here. Look and see. You see? Alright, let's go. Got this cool little me going. Got this static 350Z. Pretty clean. Got this clean ass Q60. Hella carbon. Bagged on welds too. Crazy. This shit's hella clean. And we got this wrapped G37 with the hard wheels. Look at my baby over there. Got the VQs lined up. This one's pretty clean. Got a big ass toe hook on it. What the hell? Got this clean ass 5.0 with the GT500 front bumper. this one was shooting flames like crazy, bro. Look at the hood. All burnt up and stuff. Got the Turbski right here. I know it's hot as hell. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's a new day. The car meet last night was pretty cool. Had a lot of cars. Well, we had a decent amount of cars out there. You know, had some flamethrowers. It was loud as hell. My ears are kind of ringing, but today we're going to be installing the True Focus Fab BASH bar. Got it right here. Looking pretty clean. This is really going to suit well for the new look for the G. I took off the OEM BASH bar because I didn't really like how it looked with the bumper cut setup. So I ordered this one from True Focus Fab. It should be a pretty easy install. All you got to do to install it is, if you have your OEM BASH bar, you just take it off. It's about like 4 bolts on each side, one right here, and one where the license plate is, 4 bolts. You take them off, and you just bolt up the new BASH bar. True Focus Fab did send me like a thank you letter and a pack of Welch's gummies, so that was pretty cool. I appreciate them for that. All right, y'all finally got it put on. This is how she looks. The G looks so good, bro. This is exactly what I envisioned, bro. Look at that. But yeah, it wasn't that hard to put on. I would recommend having a friend to hold up the BASH bar while you're bolting it on, because it's kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Now I have something to protect my car, because I took off the OEM one because it was so ugly. But yeah, that's how she sits, man. She looks so good, bro. Can't get over this. It looks fucking beautiful. This thing is so crispy, man. I really do like it a lot. Next video, I'm gonna have the door cards installed, and this thing is gonna be going in the right direction. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video.